Alright, to start here, we got the valid dates. It says 18 to the 31st of this month. Unless otherwise noticed, you got the American flag here for $9.98. It says flag made in the USA, so it is made here. You got some plants. Let's see if we got any tools. You got a performance 6-burner gas grill for $2.98. Great brand. Alright, so this is the mower, one of the mowers that's on a deal. This is the, what is this? Power 21-inch deck width, brushless, cordless push mower. 6 amp hour battery charger for $4.99. It's a pretty good deal on that. You got a Super Pro charcoal grill, $149. Got a 2-burner gas griddle with a cover, $2.98. You got an accessory kit, 7-piece stainless, $49.98. Let's see if we got any tools. That's what we're looking for. All right, so buy one get one free. Craftsman. You guys know, you guys seen these at the stores, but if you guys want to see this at the store, make sure you guys check out my Lowe's video I just released. You got the buy one get one free. So you buy this the blower kit, 200 CFM leaf blower. Yeah, includes a 4 amp hour and charger. Or you can get the 2 batteries and charger, which is a 4 and a 2. Or you can get the string trimmer 10-inch kit with a 2 amp hour battery and get a free tool. So definitely recommend this ratchet for you guys. This is a pretty good if you guys will do your own DIY. Otherwise, reciprocating saw, circular saw, sander, or jigsaw, pretty good deals on those. It says your choice $199. So you got the 6-2 combo kit with 2 amp hour batteries, soft case, charger. Or you can get the 20-volt brushless RP leaf blower and string trimmer for $199. So buy one get one free. So you buy the attachment capable 25cc 2-cycle 17-inch gas string trimmer and get a free trimmer plus edge attachment. That's a pretty good deal on that one. You got 3100 psi, 2.4 gallons per minute gas pressure washer for $2.99. That's a pretty good deal on that one. You got a Commander 27-gallon storage totes with lid, $11.98. You got a 110-piece tough grip drill and drive bit set, $29.98. We see this kit. This actually is pretty big. $99 your choice here. This is really good deals on these. 20-volt max half-an-inch brushless drill driver, and you got the 1/4-inch brushless impact driver. These are both kits. They do come with batteries and chargers and case. Alright, let's see what else we have. Looks like that's it. So just a short video for today. Pretty much these are the best deals here. The DeWalt deals. Yeah, some of the Craftsman DIY. Yeah, these are pretty good deals. All of these. So definitely check those out, guys. That's it. Just a short video. If you guys have a great holiday weekend, don't forget to help out this channel by subscribing, hitting the like and the bell icon. And we'll see you guys on the next one. Thank you for watching.